In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram Live not working. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, if you hit the little plus icon up in the very top, and you don't see this option on the very bottom for live down here, there's probably a very important reason why. Instagram did recently update their policy, and you now need at least 1,000 followers or more to go live. Now, if you previously had access to live and no longer see it, this change of the setting may be affecting your account. But what you're going to want to do is back out of the section and hit this profile icon down here, and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner to bring you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down a little bit until you do see the option for account status, and select it to open it up, and make sure everything is marked on here with green little check marks. If you do see any warnings or restrictions, tap on them and follow the steps that Instagram provides to remove them. If your account does have any restrictions, you will not be able to go live. From here, go ahead and exit out of Instagram completely and open up either the App Store or the Google Play Store and just search for Instagram down at the very bottom and just make sure that Instagram is updated. You can select it, and if it says update, go ahead and select it to update the Instagram app. And then from here, once the update does finish, we open Instagram and check to see if live is available. If you are still having any issues, let me know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further, but that should resolve everything. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.